Hey, what's up guys, my name is Bull6David and today I want to show you how to record your screen. Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel and you want to record some games while you're playing. That's not a problem, I will show you, but today we're using OBS. I've been using this software in the past and I'm using it now. And to be honest with you, it's lovely. I mean, I have dual monitors and I can place this on the other monitor that I have. And in this way I can see if it's recording or not, if it crashed. It doesn't really happen once, but it's more sure. I mean, I'll recommend you to get a second monitor because you don't want to record a 20 minutes footage long and randomly it's crashed. You don't know, you're continuing to play. That's horrible, man. However, why I'm using this, because here I can see also I have some filters on my microphone. Yeah, it's recording, and noise suppression, noise gateway, the equalizer, the 3-band equalizer. I mean, just listen to the sound. Okay, so I'm speaking right now and just listen to the volume. That should be normal, and I watch something around here. That's sweet. Control Z. The mid also will help you a lot. I set my voice to like a more a podcast one. Let's also check the other one. Now it's pretty sweet. Also, I will check all this with you in another tutorial. But to be honest with you, it really helps to set some filters. If I will drop something, even if I drop my microphone, your ears will not start bleeding because of the sound, because I set all these filters. So OBS, that being said, OBS is free to use. You can download it free. So let's check with you guys that. So let's just search OBS. Also, I will leave all the links down below in under this video. So to install this, just get to obsproject.com, and here you will have to check which operating system you have, like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. I will check just Windows. And let's see latest updates. However, it started to download or something. Let's see. Problems with download. Try again. Oh, it downloaded something. Let's hit Ctrl J and see where is that. Cancel the other one because as you can see, the installer is just 128 megabytes. So I'm sure you will not have a problem with that one. So that being said, after you have this downloader, just open that and it will be very easy to install it like any other software. Let me show you some other settings that you have. So if we'll open File and Settings, then we'll have to head to the hotkeys. And as you can see, you can personalize this. I will start recording when I press F1, stop recording when I press F2, or just pause recording when I press F3. What other settings I have here? Screenshot output, I can move that on my end. Key, and now that should be it. Let's press on apply. You can set the language to English when you download this. You can stream using OBS. I didn't told you that, but you can stream very easily. You can use OBS to a lot of things. Now the audio, these are my settings. I will show you why not, what I have here. I will scroll very slow. The video the same. I set everything on 16:9, on 1920 by 1080. The FPS it's on 60. The other hotkeys I have here, nothing else. So I just set my start and stop recording on F1, F2. You can choose whatever hotkeys you like to. And if we press on advance, I didn't change much here. I pretty much show you all the settings that I have. But let's press on, this is my microphone. I'll press on properties. And this is the microphone I'm using, the one with the USB in it. You can change it if you want to record with a different microphone. So let's press on cancel and advanced properties. And if you want to hear how you are hearing yourself using those filters, just check monitor and output. I will not say that because that will screw up a bit my video. But if you press on this and then apply, yeah, this is how it sounds like. Just turn it off again. You can hear how you hear yourself at the same time with the filters. If you want to add some filters, you will have to press on that, press on filters, and here you have a plus. From here you can add any filter that OBS have. And once you'll have the filter, just play with this until you will find something that you like to. If you want to capture different scene, you will have to play with this. You'll have to press on plus, then OK. And if you want to record something else, That will be pretty much it. You have all the settings here that will help you. But with the settings that I put here, screen recorder, then display capture, then I can record my desktop, either the game I'm in at that time in full screen, OBS will capture that. And this is why I recommended you at the beginning to have 2 monitors, because you can have the OBS on 1 monitor and you can have a look on this. What is this recording at that moment? And also, if you screw up something here, you have some delete buttons and you can play with all this.